What determines how much money you will have? Listen, it's important for you if you want to become Jewish. So here it is. It is not how good is your idea. It is not how good is your product. It is not how big is your company. It is not how much money you invested. It is not none of what you think. There is only one thing that defines how much money you will have. And it is the number, not the quality, the number of communication you put out to people and how much you stay in communication with those people. It's just a number of communication. The more you will communicate out, the more money will come in. It's very simple, and that's the problem. People like complicated things. But the truth is, you have as much money as you're willing and actually communicating out.